CRM Repo API enables organizations to transform standard Salesforce Tabular Reports into professional formatted, compliance-ready Excel file without custom code or manual post-processing, designed for simplicity and consistency. The tabular report workflow allows users to upload a Salesforce exported detail XLS report, apply a standardized header and footer template, optimize the spreadsheet for reading and printing. The header and footer overview. The section outlines how each part of the header and footer is automatically generated and where every piece of information originates. The left header, the user full name, retrieved from Salesforce users information. The middle header, the report name, taken directly from the uploaded or selected Salesforce report. The header right, the Salesforce org instance name, automatically detected from the connected org. The footer. The footer left, the user company name combined with the required confidential information label. The footer middle, page number over total pages, generated dynamically when XLSX is created. Footer right, the export date, timestamp apply at the moment the report is formatted. Optionally, you could encryption. User may choose to enable encryption and apply a custom encryption code. When enabled, the final XLSX will require the code to open, adding an additional layer of data protection. The screen outlines the complete workflow for processing a tabular Salesforce report through CRM Repo API. The process begins in Salesforce, where you run the report and export it in Excel detail. Format using a clear, descriptive file name. Once the file is saved, you move to the CRM Repo API app page to load the report configuration and prepare the file for processing. First, search for the report name using the Smart Lookup field. When you select the intended report, click Get Selected Report to retrieve all stored settings associated with it. Next, drag and drop the exported detail into the uploaded box. Set the report format to tabular to ensure that CRM Repo API apply your predefined header, footer, and formatting logic. If you are creating a new setup or updating an existing report, click Save, then click Next to proceed. After the report is fully configured, simply click Process Uploaded Report. CRM Repo API read the uploaded data, apply your formatting, and prepare the final XLSX. When processing is complete, use a click to download uploaded file to download the finished, fully formatted, compliant Excel report. To export a tabular or slice and dice report, select Detail Only from the option, and then proceed by clicking Export. Also, the file opens and behaves like an Excel spreadsheet. The underlying content is actually HTML, not a native Excel binary format. This is a known behavior with Salesforce export as XLS output and does not affect the content itself, only how Excel interprets the file format. Also, file size expands significantly due to HTML markup. A print preview, allowing you to see exactly how the report will appear when printed, including alignment, page breaks, header, footer, placement, and overall layout. The exported report has no header, no footer, and is not optimized for printing. Portrait is split in multiple pages. Fit to print automatically optimize the Excel page layout by adjusting scaling, margins, and page widths to ensure the entire report fits neatly onto the printed page. This prevents columns from being cut off, reduces unwanted page break, and produces a clean print-ready layout every time. On the initial CRM Report API page, you will see a lookup report field along with two quick links, edit template and contact us. As soon as you start typing a report name, these links automatically hide and a smart drop-down appear, filtering and showing only the matching report. Once a report is selected from the drop-down list, the drop-down hide and Get Selected button appear on the right side. When you click the Get Selected Report, The flow immediately loads and displays all saved setup information to that Salesforce report. In the lookup report field, an X appears up on the right side. Clicking it clears the selected report and remove any displayed setup information, returning the page to its initial state. After selecting a report and clicking Get Selected Report, the flow displays the complete configuration for that report, including header and footer templates, formatting option, report type, encryption setting, and all previously saved customization. Every setting is automatically retrieved so the user can review or update it as needed. Let's start with the element definition and their sources. Left header displays a user full name. Center header automatically shows that Salesforce report name. Right header displays the Salesforce org instance name. Left footer, user company name plus the confidential information label. Middle footer, page number and total page count. Right footer, export date and time. These elements are system controlled to ensure consistency and compliance. The spreadsheet formatting option, CRMRepo API will automatically apply these include autofilter, freezing the first row and the first column, print optimized layout, landscape or portrait page setup for better page utilization. The process report is upload. Report format is tabular. Upload report drag and drop or upload using select from user device. Slice and dice is not active for this upload. Altogether, the screen provides a complete, easy to understand overview of how CRMRepo API structure formats and prepares a report before generating the final Excel. This page guides you through every step required to prepare, configure, and process an uploaded Salesforce report using CRMReposAPI. The screen is organized into 5 sections, each handling a specific part of the setup and processing flow. 1. Report lookup. Begin by selecting the Salesforce report you want to work with. As you type in the lookup field, matching reports appear instantly. After selecting a report and clicking Get Selected Report, all related sections become visible, and the full configuration automatically loads. To reset your selection at any time, simply click the X inside the lookup field. This clears the field and removes any displayed setup information. 2. Report Run Setup. This section displays the core metadata for the chosen report, including the original report name, Salesforce report ID, and the date of the setup was last updated. You can edit the downloadable report file name. Then switch the report format to tabular and drag and drop your exported Salesforce report detail XLSX into the uploaded area. 3. Report header and footer. In the section, CRMRepo API shows you the full header and footer that will be applied to the generated Excel file. The template includes system-generated elements such as an instance name, report date, company name, and page numbering. The only editable item here is a report name, which you can adjust if you want it to appear differently in the final header. 4. Spreadsheet setup. Here you define how the final spreadsheet will look and print. CRMRepo API support autofilter, freeze first row and or column, fit print, landscape orientation, or tabular layout options. If additional security is required, you can enable the optional encryption setup, which encrypts the final XLSX using a code you provide. 5. Process report. At the bottom of the screen, CRMRepo API indicates whether this is a new report configuration or an existing one. If you are creating a new setup or have modified any field, you must click Save Report to store your changes. Once saved, click Next to proceed with processing the report and generating your final XLSX output. If you attempt to continue without uploading the required report file, CRMRepo API will notify you that the file is missing In this case, the system prompts you to click the previous button to return to the upload step and provide the report file before proceeding. When you upload a report to the screen by drag and drop or make a selection from your device, then the system automatically uploads this file and show you that it's already been uploaded and it's been done. If you proceed without saving your changes, CRMRepo API will continue using the previously saved configuration. In this situation, you will need to click the previous button to return to the setup screen and save your updates. Otherwise, the processed report will be generated using the last saved setup. Once everything is ready, click Process Uploaded Report to begin generating the formatted tabular report. Report formatted. Download report with header and footer. Read and print ready. Here is the processed report generated through CRMReposAPI. The output includes full spreadsheet formatting, frozen headers, optimized layout, and a consistent structure applied automatically for a complete view of how the report will print. Open File Print Review to review the formatting and page layout. The processed report includes both header and footer, making it presentation ready and compliant. Fit to Print automatically optimize the Excel page layout by adjusting scaling, margin, and page widths to ensure the entire report fits neatly on the printed page. This prevents columns from being cut off, reduce unwanted page breaks, and produce a clean print-ready layout every time. Instead of navigation to Salesforce to open the report screen, manually running a report, exporting it, and then uploading it to the file, CRMRepo API provides a built-in run report capability. This functionality originally introduced in CRMRepo Report Job Scheduler and now inherited by CRMRepo API. Allow report to be executed directly from the application. The report is automatically run, downloaded, and delivered as a fully formatted Excel file, with all the configured enhancement applied, including header and footer, print optimization, encryption if enabled, and any additional processing rules. The run report features require a master login with the appropriate Salesforce permission. Once the access is configured and granted, or authorized user can leverage the feature without needing individual elevated permissions, provided access has been explicitly approved. Additionally, a CRM Repo subscription enables you to schedule any Salesforce report to run automatically and be delivered to an assigned recipient. If your organization already has this subscription, there is no additional charge to use the run report capability within the CRM Repo API flow. The tabular run screen functions identically to the upload screen. The only difference is setting process report to run instead to upload. All other step and processing behavior remains the same.